Listen, nobody has the time to watch a 2-hour cooking show. We're busy people. We're lawyers, doctors, engineers, pastors, pharmacists, moms. We don't need the history of this particular dish on and on and on. All I need to know is it delicious and do I want to eat it? Just eat it. To be or not to be. Whatever bozo said that there are no small parts, only small actors, was kind of lying. Always go for the lead role, guys. Today we're traveling to Israel to make traditional Jewish potato pancakes, or latkes. I got the recipe from my mother-in-law, Anna Silverman, who in turn got the recipe from her own mother-in-law, Melly Silverman. After all, tradition is all that matters, right?
I can tell you in one word. Tradition!
Peel and then grate the potatoes. Peel and then grate the onion. Mix together and then wrap it all in a towel and drain the excess liquid. That's where the starch is. 2 large eggs, add 1/4 cup matzo meal.
Here's the Matzo Meal. It's a pretty famous brand.
Dash of pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it all together. Add more matzo meal if the batter is not thicker than regular pancake batter.
If I were a rich man, Yiddish proverb, a bad peace is better than a good war.
Now it's time to fry. Put some vegetable oil on a frying pan and put dollops of the batter onto the frying pan and watch as the color changes to a golden brown. You want your pancakes to be crisp on both sides and soft on the inside.
Matchmaker, matchmaker, make me a match. Find me a find, catch me a catch. P.S. I was single for like a million years until God dropped this cutie.
The traditional way to eat latkes is to put a dollop of sour cream and a dollop of applesauce onto the potato pancake. Then you eat delicious. Mazel tov.